So 1 year ago, we all woke up one morning and the world went strange. And that is not going to change. The way we work now is the way we're going to work for a very long time. And everything has changed. Working from home is becoming the norm. A lot of companies are not going back to the office. They've realized in the last year we can survive working remotely. And that added the whole complexity to the environment. Network administrators and security administrators used to be capable of ring-fencing the network. They know exactly where the perimeter was, but now with the pandemic and whatever happened, that perimeter has changed. And to protect your assets became really a big issue. We are now using offices that's not safe. Your home office is not safe. The coffee shop is not safe. And everything is in the cloud. Everything is unmanageable, and nobody has the right tools to secure your assets anymore. So we came up with a solution, and we use our secure mobile access to make sure that we protect your networks out there. The whole idea is to change your mentality from a trust mentality to an anti-trust mentality. So basically, you don't trust nobody. You go into the zero trust phase where unless you've authorized the user and authenticated the user, they have no say in your network. And by doing that, you make sure that your assets are totally safe and secure from anybody out there. Even your own users is untrusted until they've authorized and authenticated themselves against one of the SMA devices. So we have a few models. This is a very complicated topic. I mean, if you have customers that want to explore work from home, please give us a shot. We can do a more deep dive and help suggesting the correct options for them. But we have three basic options. SMA on the firewall, and that's really for your administrators that there's like 3 or 4 users that need access. We also then have the SMA 100, which is for the SMB kind of environments where there's like 50 or 100 users that need access, or basic access. And then we have the SMA 1000 series, which is for the serious people out there that want to do proper work from home with full security, federation, single sign-on, and all the security bells and whistles that's out there. How do we size it? We're based on concurrency, how many concurrent users do you have, and then obviously the more users you have, the bigger appliances we have to supply, and build clustering to make sure they are always safe and secure. So from this, we have the SMA 100 series, which is the 2 baby devices, the 200 and 400, or we have the SMA 1000, which is the 6200 or the 8200 or the 7200 for larger deployments that require enhanced features. Again, this is really a very complicated topic, and we want to make sure that we give you the right solution. So if you have a customer that wants to do work from home or need a remote access solution, give me a shout and we will definitely help with this.